Welcome to day 38 of Learn to Lead in 100 Days. Expectation leads to disappointment. The secret of happiness is low expectations. Do not blame people for disappointing you. Blame yourself for expecting too much from them. When you want to be successful in life, one of the most important things is not to expect anything from anyone which you're not ready to do for yourself. Don't expect people to agree with you every time you speak. If you're a person who wants people to accept anything and everything that you say, then get ready for disappointments. Every people have their own ideas, belief system, thoughts and opinions just differs. If you really want anyone to accept everything you speak, then speak with data, facts and research. Don't just assume that they have to agree and they should agree, which will not work. Don't expect others to respect you when you don't respect yourself. Respect starts from within. If you want to be respected, do what it takes to respect yourself and demonstrate self-respect. The way you treat yourself will be the way they will treat you. Don't expect others to tell you what you have to do when you have no idea about what you want. The desire and passion should come from within. Only when you back up your ideas, you will be in a better position to define what you want and why you want. Nobody else will work for you. Don't hold on people and force them to stay. People are like season. They will come into your life, play their part and move on. Don't force them to stay, then the relationship will not be in a harmony. The people who are in your life through good and bad are the people who are very important. Just focus on them. Don't expect anyone to prioritize you when you don't prioritize yourself. If you don't value and stick on to your own self, it will be evident to others. One of the most valuable person is you and not anyone else. So start prioritizing yourself. Remove your expectation from the people and you will remove the power to hurt your feelings. Hope this helps. Follow me for the next days. Learn to lead in 100 days. I'm your coach, Rosie Ayankutti. Many dreams can be achieved when you cultivate the habit of learning. I'm on a learning challenge for 100 days under a title, Learn to Lead in 100 Days, where I will be sharing my knowledge for free. Subscribe to my channel to start your learning journey.